Welcome back to Remedy Science. Today, we're exploring the science behind some incredible seeds that pack a protein punch more than meat. In fact, if you're looking for delicious and versatile ways to boost your protein intake, you're in the right place. We'll discuss the benefits of seeds like hemp, pumpkin, chia, sunflower, flax, quinoa, and sesame, all while sharing personal tips on how you can incorporate them into your daily meals. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your journey towards a more balanced diet, these seeds can significantly impact your nutrition and overall well-being. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, containing approximately 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. They're not just high in protein, they're also a complete source, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids. These little seeds are rich in healthy fats, especially omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. You can sprinkle hemp seeds on your morning yogurt or blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture and nutty flavor. They also have a mild, pleasant taste that enhances salads and energy bars. Including hemp seeds in your diet can noticeably improve your energy levels and recovery after workouts. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are another fantastic source of nutrition, offering about 30 grams of protein per 100 grams. These seeds are packed with minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are vital for overall health. You can roast pumpkin seeds with a bit of olive oil and sea salt for a crunchy snack. They support prostate health and may help with sleep because they contain tryptophan, which promotes relaxation. Whenever you snack on pumpkin seeds, you feel like you're not just indulging, you're giving your body something beneficial that helps keep your mind clear and your energy up throughout the day. Chia seeds. Chia seeds provide approximately 17 grams of protein per 100 grams and are incredibly versatile. High in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, they can absorb liquid and form a gel-like substance, making them perfect for smoothies and puddings. You can make chia pudding by mixing the seeds with almond milk and letting them sit overnight. The next morning, add fresh fruits and nuts for a delicious, nutritious breakfast. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals can significantly improve your digestion and help you feel full longer, making it easier to avoid unhealthy snacks. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds offer about 21 grams of protein per 100 grams and are known for their crunchy texture and nutty flavor. They're an excellent source of vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant, helping protect our cells. You can toss sunflower seeds into salads or sprinkle them over oatmeal for added crunch and nutrition. Not only do they support heart health, but they also provide sustained energy throughout the day. Whenever you feel a slump in energy, reaching for sunflower seeds gives you the boost you need, making them a staple in your snack rotation. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are another valuable addition to a healthy diet, containing about 18 grams of protein per 100 grams. High in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, they promote heart health and improve digestive function. Grind the flax seeds and add them to your smoothies or baked goods. They enhance the nutritional profile of your meals without altering the taste much. Since incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you may notice better digestive health and increased energy levels. They are a small but powerful seed that can significantly impact your overall well-being. Quinoa seeds. Quinoa seeds, while often classified as grains, contain about 14 grams of protein per 100 grams and are a complete protein source. Cooking quinoa is simple, and you can use it as a base for salads or as a side dish. Its nutty flavor complements a variety of ingredients, and it's packed with fiber and essential minerals. Whenever you prepare quinoa for dinner, it not only fills you up but also provides sustained energy for the next day. You will appreciate how quinoa fits seamlessly into your meals while delivering a robust nutrient profile. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds contain around 18 grams of protein per 100 grams and are rich in healthy fats, calcium, and antioxidants. Use sesame seeds in cooking, whether sprinkled on stir-fries or incorporated into homemade tahini. They add a delightful crunch and a unique flavor to dishes. Sesame seeds are excellent for bone health due to their high calcium content, and they also support heart health. Every time you use sesame seeds in your meals, you'll feel like you're nourishing your body while enjoying delicious flavors. Comparison with meat. When compared to chicken breast, which typically contains about 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, these seeds offer comparable protein levels while providing additional health benefits such as fiber, healthy fats, and a range of vitamins and minerals. While animal proteins are generally more bioavailable, meaning they are easier for the body to absorb, combining different plant proteins can enhance the overall amino acid profile. Moreover, seeds are usually lower in saturated fats and cholesterol than most meats, making them heart-healthy alternatives. For those looking to reduce their meat intake or explore plant-based options, seeds are a fantastic choice. Conclusion: incorporating these high-protein seeds into your diet can significantly enhance your overall nutritional intake, providing various health benefits while serving as excellent alternatives to meat. They are easy to add to a wide range of dishes, from smoothies to salads, and offer essential nutrients that support a healthy lifestyle. Personally, I find that including these seeds in my meals not only boosts my energy levels and digestion but also adds delightful flavors and textures to my food. Whether you're looking to improve your health or simply enjoy delicious, nutritious meals, these seeds are a great addition to your diet. Thanks for joining me today as we uncovered the amazing benefits of high-protein seeds. From hemp to sesame, these nutrient-dense options not only offer a fantastic protein alternative to meat but also enhance your meals with delightful flavors and textures. If you're inspired to include these seeds in your diet, let me know your favorite ways to use them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and nutrition. Until next time, take care and enjoy nourishing your body.